Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Finding 404 errors in Google Search Console. Learn why missing pages affect SEO and visitor experience. Open Google Search Console. Navigate to Google Search Console website. Select your website property and confirm the correct domain or URL. 2. Go to the Pages report. From the left menu, click Pages under Indexing to see Indexed, Not Indexed, and Issue pages. Find Not Indexed pages. Scroll to Why Pages Aren't Indexed, including redirects, crawled not indexed, 404 not found, and saw 404 errors. Click on Not Found 404. 4. View 404 URLs. Review the list of 404 error URLs crawled but not found on your site. Click any URL to see last crawl date and discovery method. 5. Inspect a 404 URL. Use Inspect URL to check if the page exists, was deleted, or points to a wrong link to decide the next action.
After inspecting your page, we found that it is not indexed on Google. Upon further checking the website, if the page returns a 404 error, we can proceed with removing the URL. Finding 404 errors in Google Search Console is simple, but very important for maintaining a healthy website. By regularly checking the Pages report, you can identify broken or missing URLs before they impact your SEO and user experience. According to the Vanilla Theory, not every 404 error is bad. If a page is intentionally removed and has no valuable backlinks or traffic, Google will slowly drop it from the index on its own. After fixing or removing a URL, the update usually reflects in a few days if Google crawls the URL quickly. In most normal cases, it can take around 1 to 4 weeks. For low traffic pages or deep URLs, the process may take up to 6 to 8 weeks. So be patient. This timeline is completely normal and part of how Google processes website changes. This video helped you understand 404 errors clearly. Thanks for watching. Hope this adds value to your SEO. Like, share and subscribe for more helpful SEO videos.